Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Blog Live YouTube channel. Purchasing a right gaming laptop for you might be a challenging task. The shortage of chipsets and GPUs has resulted in high prices for not just desktops but also laptops. Acer produces one of the three most popular gaming brands in the laptop world. Besides Alienware and ROG, the Predators are among the most recognizable gaming devices on the market. Not only can the Helios 300 surpass many laptops in its class, but it is also much less costly. The Helios 300 is the cheapest premium notebook, and might just be the fastest laptop. The Predator Helios 300 has distinguishing qualities. Helios 300 has a 6-core CPU from Intel's latest 10th generation core lineup. It also has NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics with 6 GB of dedicated VRAM. Both gamers and content producers stand to gain decent performance. You can enjoy extreme versatility and mobility with the Helios 300. On paper, the Acer Predator Helios 300 is an absolute beast. But how does it fare in real world, and what are you compromising for the price? Well, stick around, and let us find out. Acer Predator Helios 300. Acer Predator Helios 300 is one of the best gaming laptop of this year. Acer has given their best shot in making this year's edition of the Helios even better. The build quality of the Helios 300 gives out a very premium feel. The added touch of blue accents on the lid and the keyboard parts further exudes the premium feel. The fan's new design reduces noise, while increasing airflow. The Helios 300 efficiently manages to please in performance, while managing heat pretty well. The Helios 300 is just a mid-level gaming laptop, aiming to offer the maximum bang for the buck. It is a well-thought-out device, offering the right balance for performance and productivity. Design. The Helios 300 is average-sized, for a 15.6-inch gaming notebook. It follows the traditional Predator laptop design, which looks pretty cool. The build quality is excellent, and in most parts, it is made out of aluminium. The black metal chassis paired with chrome accents, and the Predator logo on the lid, give this laptop a futuristic look. Significantly, the whole keyboard deck and the side panels are made out of metal. The plastic on the bottom reduces the weight drastically to 5.5 pounds. The Helios 300 is thin, not Zephyrus level thin, but relatively thin for a gaming laptop. However, it weighs more than other models in its category, but it's unacceptable for this screen size. Although, the one-hand opening was smooth and easy, with minimal display flex. The bottom panel houses the speaker cutouts and the ventilation grill. The hot air gets exhausted from 4 vents, 2 on the back, and 1 on each side. The Predator Sense app provides some control over the fan behavior. Display. The Helios 300 features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with an IPS panel. There's a LED backlit DFD LCD panel, offering up to a 144 Hz refresh rate. There can hardly be any complaints with this laptop's 1920 by 1080p display. The display is excellent, with decent color accuracy, and with minimal backlight bleed. The viewing angles are excellent, and the contrast ratio is outstanding. The high-quality display offers fluid and tear-free visuals. The color and image rendition are both superb, with 96% of the sRGB. The Helios 300 also delivers stunning graphics. The panel was decent for playing games, and watching some videos and movies. The display feels amazingly smooth, not just in Windows itself, but especially while playing games. The Helios 300 provides an engaging, smooth, and colorful gaming experience. It can handle the demanding games, such as The Witcher 3, and Age of Empires pretty comfortably. Performance. In terms of CPU performance, Intel has long reigned supreme, particularly in gaming laptops. It is powered by Intel 10th generation Core i7 processor, which provides responsive and powerful performance. The CPU is clocked at 2.3 GHz at the basic level, and it may grow to 5.0 GHz. The 16 GB RAM allows you to spend more time working, and less time waiting. Its 512 GB and SSD drive can store an ample amount of data with ease. The GTX 3060 graphics ensure that your gaming experience is uninterrupted and exciting. The Helios 300 combines the Intel and NVIDIA hardware to significant effect. The GPU delivers the ultimate performance for gamers and creators. You can get lightning-fast speed while playing your favorite games. You will feel great, even when your games are on high settings. It was able to execute all the titles at ultra settings with 1080p resolution. The Helios 300 manages to get quite hot quickly while running games. To ensure fast and effective cooling, it comes with a 4th Gen 𝗂𝗶𝗍𝗄 technology. So you can play games for a long time without overheating your laptop. There is no laptop in this price range that can compete with the Helios 300. Keyboard. The keyboard is just about what you'd expect from a gaming laptop. The Helios 300 features a full chiclet-style keyboard, with 4-zone RGB lighting. The 4-zone illumination works pretty well, and is just as colorful. Acer's Predator Sense app allows true RGB control for each zone. A dedicated button on the number pad launches the Predator Sense app. The keyboard also has a decent-sized numeric pad. The keys are pretty solid, and well-spaced. The key size is good, and the key travel feels decent. You get a button to activate turbo mode, for enabling full power and opening fans. There's minimal flex on the keyboard, that too on pressing very hard. Touchpad. The touchpad is buttonless, and interprets most actions smoothly and accurately. This touchpad is appropriately sized for the 15.6-inch screen. Its smooth surface makes it easy to use. The touchpad is smooth to touch, while Windows 10 gestures were exact. Connectivity. In terms of port selection, Acer has done an outstanding job. It comes with 2 USB-A ports, a Kensington lock port, and an Ethernet port on the left side. While a USB-C port, a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a mini display port, on the right side. The power port is at the back, which I think is an ideal place. You can plug all your peripherals into the full range of USB 3.2 ports. Overall, you have plenty of ports to connect all your accessories. Battery. Battery life is the one area where gaming laptops tend to struggle, which was no different for Helios 300. There are 4 cells, with a 59 watt-hour battery, inside the Helios 300. However, the Helios 300 manages to deliver 6 hours of battery life on a full charge. Since it's a gaming laptop, so you don't expect this device to be a battery champ. Most of the time, you'll be using Helios 300 with the charger plugged in. Speakers. The Helios 300 features 2 bottom-firing speakers tuned by DTS Audio. You get good sounding speakers, with enough volume to be heard over the cooling fan while gaming. You can experience your favorite movies, music, and games with real-world spatial sound. The sounds you hear come through exactly as they should, in all the varied highs and lows. Webcam. The 720p webcam above the display offers average video quality for a gaming laptop. It is always nice to have a webcam in a gaming laptop, but it lacks a privacy shutter. This webcam is suitable for your online calling and Zoom meetings. It lacks biometric features, such as a fingerprint reader or a face recognition webcam. Operating system. The Helios 300 comes with 64-bit Windows 10 Home out of the box. Pros. Cons. Conclusion. Helios 300 is a decent gaming laptop that is made from metal in most parts. It offers a solid build and performance, suitable hardware, and a colorful display. One of the most significant advantages of the screen is the refresh rate of 144 Hz. It has an excellent keyboard, decent touchpad, along with extra slots for storage expansion. There's plenty of wired connectivity for adding a monitor and any other wired peripherals. It is a gaming monster, with perfect balance for performance and productivity. The Helios 300 is great for gamers and content creators. Its pricing is low enough to remain competitive with desktops. Specification table. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also, hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. In my channel, you will get the latest and detailed laptop reviews. Plus, the things to consider to help you choose the best laptop for you. If you're curious about the pricing and availability, you can check the description and click on the Amazon link. If you use that Amazon link to make a purchase, we'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. This support keeps this channel alive, and helpful content coming your way. You can also find a more detailed analysis on our website, bestinlinealaptops.com. Have a great one, and I will see you in the next video.